Hi everybody, Dave here from Charest Studios, and today we're going to be taking a look at this digital picture frame by MYDASH. And I got this digital picture frame because I take a lot of pictures and they pretty much stay, I take them, I edit them, and then they stay on the computer and I don't really get to enjoy them. I'd like to print more of them, but I thought a photo frame would be nice for the house and we'd be able to just kind of watch a lot of the pictures go around. I could put different pictures on cards. This also has an internal memory. Anyway, I chose this one for its price, its affordability, the size, and I didn't really care about it having a Wi-Fi feature. Let me take it out of the box. We'll do an unboxing. I'll try it out. Well, we'll try it out. I'll show you guys as we try it out. So let's get into it. Okay, so let me show you how this comes. I like the size. Like I said, I bought it for the size. So it comes with a remote. Nice. And here's your power brick. Power cord. Looks like a decent amount of cord. Yeah, so I'll have it all ready and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I went into the setup and was able to change some of the settings and put the photos to random. You can also have a motion detection so that it will go on, I guess, when you walk by it. It'll sit in kind of silent mode and wait. I'm not sure. I left that off. Here it is with a little video I uploaded. And it is, the sound is pretty good. Better than I would have expected. So now that I have this thing figured out, I have to say I really love it. The only thing I couldn't get to work was the rotating stand on the back, but it is working in this orientation. And as I said, there are holes for mounting it on the wall in either orientation. So a big thumbs up on this. I did have to replace the remote battery, but now it's functioning beautiful. I like the display is very nice. I think it does a great job, and I like that I can have pictures in the internal memory as well as an SD card I can just take out of my camera and throw in there. Very good. I'm happy with it, and I do recommend it. So thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this digital photo frame, just leave them below and I will get back to you. I will have an affiliate link in the description to this item should you care to purchase one for yourself. Thanks everybody, and as always, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.